Hello friends, welcome to my channel Edu Cafe, and today we are going to discuss about metals and non-metals. So let us start it. What are metals? Metals are described as chemical elements that readily lose valence electrons to form positive ions that are called cations. Examples: aluminium, copper, iron, tin, gold, etc. Physical properties of metals. Metals are generally hard and have high tensile strength, means that they can bear a lot of strain without breaking down. Metals are generally solid at room temperature, except mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. Mercury is a metal which is liquid at room temperature. They are sonorous, as they produce sound when they are beaten with something hard. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. By the way, silver is the best conductor of heat and electricity. Metals are malleable, as they can be beaten into thin sheets. Metals are ductile, that they can be beaten into thin wires. They have high melting and boiling points, but there are some exceptions, like calcium and gallium. They have very low melting point. They have so low melting point that if you keep one of them on your hand, they will melt. They have high density, except alkali metals. Osmium has the highest density, while lithium has the least density. They are lustrous, means that they have shiny surfaces. Let us talk about nonmetals. Nonmetals are those elements which do not exhibit the properties of metals. Example: carbon, boron, etc. Let us talk about physical properties of metals and nonmetals. We are discussing about nonmetals. They can occur as solid, liquid, and gases at room temperature. Means that they can occur as on only one state of matter. They are brittle, that they can be broken by our hands. They are non-malleable, that they cannot be converted into thin sheets. They are non-ductile, that they cannot be drawn into thin wires. They are non-sonorous, that they do not produce sound when they are struck with something hard. They are bad conductors of heat and electricity. But there are some exceptions. Let us discuss them one by one. Alkali metals like sodium, potassium, and lithium can be cut using a knife. They are very soft, that they can be cut using a knife. So this is an exception. Mercury is a liquid metal. Although generally uh, metals are solid at room temperature, but mercury is a metal which is liquid metal at room temperature. Lead and mercury are poor conductors of heat. Lead and mercury are poor conductors of heat. Generally, metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, while lead and mercury are poor conductors of heat. Mercury expands significantly for the slightest change in temperature. Gallium and calcium have very low melting point. I have told you about them. Iodine is a non-metal, but it has natural luster. Iodine is only non-metal which has natural luster. Generally, non-metals do not conduct electricity, but graphite is a non-metal which conducts electricity. Diamond conducts heat and has very high melting point. Diamond conducts heat and has very high melting point. Also, diamond is the most hardest substance on earth. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks.